Welcome to a Nevada Department of Motor Vehicles instructional video. Today we look at how to get a duplicate title. So you've lost your car title or you don't really remember ever getting it. You can use the DMV application for duplicate title form if you have a clear Nevada title. We'll show you how to fill it out in just a minute, but first let's look at some potential issues and pitfalls. There are a number of questions you need to answer. Are you still making payments on a loan or a lease? If so, you can't apply for a duplicate title yourself. You have to contact your lender or lien holder. The lien holder must release the title. You will receive a paper title once this is done. Is there still a lien holder on your title record with the DMV? Even if you paid off a loan, didn't submit it to get the lien holder cleared. If you do have a lien holder, you have to contact them and get a completed lien release form. The lien release form is available on our website. To find out about a lien holder on your Nevada title, you can contact the DMV records section and mail in an application. Visit dmvnv.com and look for records. Is your vehicle titled in another state? It may be titled elsewhere if you brought the vehicle in from outside of Nevada, even if you have Nevada license plates and registration. You must contact the other state to get a duplicate. We have links to all 50 state DMVs on our website at dmvnv.com. If you're really stuck and just don't know, you can find out where your car is titled through vehiclehistory.gov and one of their approved vendors. You will have to pay a small fee for a vehicle history report. That's it for potential pitfalls. You're now sure your title has no lien holder or you have a lien release. So let's take a look at the form. You'll be using the Nevada DMV form Application for a Duplicate Nevada Certificate of Title, Form VP012. It's available on our website. Read the information on the front of the form carefully. It contains detailed instructions and covers a few things we're not going to go over here. The application has basically three sections: vehicle information, owner information, and certification. Let's start at the top of the form. The top box is the information for the vehicle identification number, the year, make, model, and the Nevada license plate. Everything is required in this box except for the license plate number. If the vehicle has changed plates to a different state, or if you can't remember what the old Nevada plate was, that's okay. Just leave it off. Now it's on to the middle section, the owner's information. The first two boxes are for the registered owners. Put in the name, the Nevada address, a different mailing address if you'd like it mailed there, and the owner's Nevada driver's license number. If you can't remember the license number, or if you have a new license in another state, just put in the owner's birthday. This will help us verify the identity of the owner. If there are two owners, the same information for the second owner goes in the next section. Next up are the legal owners, the lessor and lien holder boxes. These are used when a business who is either a lien holder or if the business is a lessor in a lease is applying for a duplicate title. If you're the registered owner with a clear title or a lien release, you should leave these blank. The last box at the bottom of the owner's information is a special box. It's titled Complete if certificate of title is to be mailed to an address other than the address listed above. If the owner who is applying for the duplicate is now out of state, the owner's name and new address, that is where the DMV is going to mail the title, goes in this box. If you're requesting the duplicate title be mailed to another state, a written statement is required. The statement must have the vehicle description including VIN, year, and make. The statement must be issued by the other state's DMV or comparable agency, verifying the Nevada certificate of title has not been surrendered to them. We're almost done. The last steps are certification and signatures. In the certification section, the owner needs to put down whether the title was lost, stolen, mutilated, or other. This last gives you a chance to explain how your dog ate your title. You can tell us that on the other line. Finally, you will need to sign and date the application in front of either a notary public or a DMV technician at one of our offices in Nevada. If the vehicle title was issued to Person 1 and Person 2, both parties must sign the application. If the title was issued to Person 1 or Person 2, either person can apply. The notary or Nevada DMV technician must witness your signature, even if you're in another state and have to use a notary public there. The application is complete. Now let's submit the application. Go on the DMV's website and search for titles for an up-to-date list of fees. Here's a brief rundown. The fee for a duplicate title mailed to a Nevada address is $20. Sent out of state, $35. The DMV also offers expedited processing and shipping. You must complete an expedited title application. Expedited processing ensures the DMV gets your application completed within 3 working days. The cost is an additional $20 per title. FedEx overnight shipping costs an additional $20 per package, or you can use your own FedEx account. You can pay the fees by check or money order, or use the DMV's payment card form. You can mail or overnight the application to the Carson City address on the forms. If you use the mail, we suggest you get a tracking number. You can also bring the duplicate title applications and fees to a DMV office for processing. If you do bring your application to an office, the duplicate will be mailed. Duplicates are not issued at the DMV field offices. And that's it. Please visit our website for more information, and thank you for watching this Nevada DMV instructional video.